I love coming to work because Bosch is a very stable company. Bosch is very clean. We put safety first, and Bosch definitely look out for their associates.
I've been here 30 years. I would recommend Bosch to anyone who wants to be in the forefront of technology.
As a kid, I always used to tinker and fix things. When I did my walkthrough, I just got excited by seeing all the robots, just all what was going on.
I have graduated from the Robert Bosch apprenticeship program. I was also able to get my 4-year degree, and I've been promoted several times within my role.
Bosch wants to hold on to their most valuable assets, which is their associates.
When you start new hire orientation, benefits kick in the same day. So you have your health insurance, dental, vision, 401k match. You have everything you need.
You choose your own path here at Bosch. I feel like I'm changing lives in the future, you know.
People ask me, where do you work? And I tell them, I work at Bosch. That makes me proud.